Welcome to Exodus versus MetaMask Mobile. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are provided in the description. In this video, we'll compare Exodus and MetaMask Mobile, focusing on their features, usability, and which one might be the right choice for you. Exodus Wallet is a popular choice for both beginners and experienced users thanks to its sleek, user-friendly interface. It supports over 200 cryptocurrencies, allowing you to manage a diverse portfolio with ease. Exodus also integrates an in-app exchange, which enables you to swap assets directly without using an external platform. It's non-custodial, meaning you control your private keys. Additionally, Exodus provides real-time portfolio tracking and offers both desktop and mobile versions for seamless management across devices. While it's excellent for those new to crypto or looking for simplicity, it lacks some advanced features like multi-signature support, which might be a concern for heavy traders or high-stakes investors. MetaMask Mobile, on the other hand, is widely used by those engaging with decentralized applications, dApps, and Ethereum-based assets. It supports Ethereum, ERC20 tokens, and Layer 2 networks, providing easy access to DeFi, NFTs, and dApps directly through the wallet. MetaMask is also non-custodial, meaning users have full control over their private keys. It integrates with hardware wallets like Ledger for additional security, and it's designed for users comfortable with blockchain-based interactions. While MetaMask is powerful for DeFi users, its interface may not be as intuitive for beginners, especially those unfamiliar with Ethereum or DeFi concepts. To summarize, Exodus is perfect for beginners or those looking for a simple, all-in-one solution to manage a wide variety of cryptocurrencies and assets. It's an ideal choice if you prioritize ease of use and don't need advanced DeFi tools. MetaMask Mobile, however, is the go-to option if you're heavily involved in Ethereum-based dApps, NFTs, or decentralized finance. It's a better fit for users who need more control over their Ethereum transactions and want to interact directly with decentralized services. Check the links in the description to explore both wallets and find the one that best fits your crypto needs.